Hey guys, keratin hair treatments have become a hot topic in the beauty world. These treatments, which infuse hair with keratin protein, promise to transform unruly locks into smooth, sleek strands. Women and men alike are flocking to salons for these treatments. The appeal is universal, transcending age and gender, as everyone seeks that perfect, polished look. They promise smooth, frizz-free hair that can withstand humidity and reduce the need for daily styling. This convenience is a major draw for busy individuals. This trend is not just a fad. It has grown immensely in recent years. The market for keratin treatments has expanded, with new products and techniques constantly emerging. Social media is filled with before and after pictures, showcasing dramatic transformations. These images fuel the desire for similar results. Influencers rave about their shiny, manageable hair, often sharing their experiences and endorsements with millions of followers. Their testimonials add to the treatment's popularity. The allure of perfect hair is hard to resist. For many, the promise of effortlessly beautiful hair is worth the investment. But, as with many beauty trends, there is more beneath the surface. It's important to look beyond the glossy exterior and understand the full picture. While the results are stunning, there are hidden dangers. The chemicals used in some keratin treatments can pose serious health risks. One significant risk is kidney damage, which can occur from prolonged exposure to certain ingredients. Formaldehyde, a common component, is particularly concerning. Many users are unaware of this potential hazard. They may not realize that the quest for perfect hair could come at a high cost to their health. This essay aims to uncover these risks and offer safer alternatives. By exploring natural and less harmful options, individuals can achieve beautiful hair without compromising their well-being. Keratin treatments are designed to smooth and straighten hair, making it more manageable and easier to style. They work by infusing the hair with keratin, a protein naturally found in hair. This protein helps to repair damaged areas and strengthen the hair shaft. This process can take several hours, depending on the length and thickness of the hair. Patience is key, as the results are often worth the wait. It involves applying a keratin solution to the hair and then using heat to seal it in. The heat helps to bond the keratin to the hair, ensuring long-lasting results. The treatment can last for several months, typically around 3 to 6 months, depending on hair care routines and environmental factors. It reduces frizz and enhances shine, giving the hair a healthier and more polished appearance. This transformation can be quite dramatic, especially for those with naturally curly or frizzy hair. Many people love the convenience of not having to style their hair daily. With keratin-treated hair, mornings can be much simpler, as the hair remains smooth and manageable. This makes keratin treatments very popular, especially among those with busy lifestyles who want to maintain a polished look without spending hours on hair care. However, the process is not as simple as it seems. It requires professional application and careful handling to avoid damage. The treatment involves several chemicals, some of which can be quite potent. It's important to be aware of what is being used on your hair. These can have harmful effects on the body if not used correctly. Some treatments may contain formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, which can pose health risks. Understanding these chemicals is crucial. Always consult with a professional and do thorough research before undergoing a keratin treatment to ensure it is safe and suitable for your hair type. One of the main ingredients in keratin treatments is formaldehyde. This chemical compound is often used in various industrial applications due to its effectiveness. Formaldehyde is known for its preservative qualities, which is why it is commonly found in many products, including cosmetics and household items. In keratin treatments, formaldehyde helps to lock in the keratin, making the hair smooth, shiny, and more manageable. This is one of the reasons why these treatments are so popular. However, formaldehyde is also a potent toxin. Its use in beauty treatments has raised significant health concerns. Exposure to formaldehyde can cause respiratory issues, such as coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. These symptoms can be particularly severe for individuals with pre-existing respiratory conditions. It can also irritate the eyes and skin, leading to redness, itching, and discomfort. Prolonged exposure can exacerbate these symptoms. But the concerns don't stop there. The potential health risks associated with formaldehyde have led to increased scrutiny and regulation in many countries. Formaldehyde is also linked to more severe health problems, including cancer. The International Agency for Research on Cancer has classified formaldehyde as a human carcinogen. Other chemicals used in these treatments include methylene glycol and formalin. These substances are often used as alternatives to formaldehyde but are not without their own risks. These are variations of formaldehyde and can still pose health risks. When these chemicals are heated during the treatment process, they release formaldehyde gas. The release of formaldehyde gas can be dangerous for both the person receiving the treatment and the stylist performing it. Proper ventilation and protective measures are essential to minimize exposure. This can be dangerous for both the person receiving the treatment and the stylist. It's important to be aware of these risks and take necessary precautions to ensure safety during the treatment process. Recent studies have shown a link between keratin treatments and kidney damage. Formaldehyde, in particular, is a concern. When inhaled, it can enter the bloodstream. From there, it travels to various organs, including the kidneys. The kidneys filter out toxins from the blood. Continuous exposure to formaldehyde can overburden them. This can lead to kidney damage over time. Scientific research supports these findings. One study found that salon workers exposed to high levels of formaldehyde had reduced kidney function. Another study linked formaldehyde exposure to chronic kidney disease. These findings are alarming and warrant caution. Section 5: Identifying symptoms of kidney damage. Kidney damage can be silent at first. Early symptoms are often mild and easy to overlook. Some common signs include fatigue and changes in urination. Swelling in the legs and ankles can also occur. As the damage progresses, symptoms become more severe. They can include nausea, vomiting, and loss of appetite. Severe cases may lead to confusion and difficulty concentrating. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial. If you have had multiple keratin treatments, be mindful of these signs. Consult a healthcare professional if you experience any of them. Section 6: Long-term risks of kidney damage. Long-term kidney damage can have serious consequences. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, can develop. This condition requires ongoing medical care. It can lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or a transplant. CKD also increases the risk of other health issues. These include heart disease and high blood pressure. The kidneys play a vital role in regulating these functions. When they are damaged, the whole body is affected. The impact on quality of life can be significant. Regular treatments and lifestyle changes become necessary. Preventing kidney damage is far better than managing it later. Section 7: Safer alternatives for hair treatments. There are safer alternatives to keratin treatments. One option is to use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners. These products help maintain the hair's natural oils. They reduce frizz without harmful chemicals. Another alternative is to embrace natural hair textures. There are many styling products designed for curly and wavy hair. These enhance the hair's natural beauty without damaging it. Heat styling tools can also be used safely. Use them at lower temperatures and always apply a heat protectant. Regular trims and deep conditioning treatments can keep hair healthy and manageable. Section 8: The importance of informed beauty choices. Making informed beauty choices is essential. Understanding the ingredients in your hair products can prevent health issues. Always research treatments before trying them. Consult with professionals who prioritize safety. Ask about the products they use. Be wary of treatments that seem too good to be true. Your health should always come first. Reading labels and reviews can provide valuable information. Look for products with natural ingredients. Avoid those with harsh chemicals. Your hair and your body will thank you. Section 9: Personal stories, real-life experiences. Many people have shared their experiences with keratin treatments. Some have had positive outcomes. Their hair became smoother and easier to manage. However, others have faced serious health issues. One woman reported severe headaches and respiratory problems. She later discovered these were linked to her keratin treatments. Another person experienced kidney pain after multiple treatments. These stories highlight the importance of caution. Real-life experiences can be eye-opening. They remind us that beauty treatments are not always risk-free. Listening to others can help us make better choices. Section 10: Conclusion: Making safe beauty decisions. In conclusion, keratin hair treatments offer tempting results. They promise smooth, manageable hair. However, the hidden risks, including potential kidney damage, cannot be ignored. Choosing safer alternatives is crucial. There are many ways to achieve beautiful hair without harmful chemicals. Embracing natural textures and using gentle products can protect your health. Making informed beauty choices is essential. Always research treatments and products. Prioritize your health over temporary beauty gains. Your well-being is worth it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.